Hello everyone, my name is Nugroho Budi. I want to present my homework one number 7 with topics of stepper motor. It comes from the Arduino book example 3.8, reading the commands from serial port to control stepper motor direction. So we have the hardware of only 3 hardware Arduino, Uno as a development board, and stepper motor, the same series as before, and the driver for the stepper motor I use the L298 import module. This is the hardware. For the IDE I use 2.3.4 with the same dependency as before. We need to consider that if we use Arduino IDE version 2.3.4, it gonna have a problem in the serial port, right? Or if we send to the computer from the computer to the microcontroller. I will show you in the experiment. Before that, I will explain about the stepper motor first. First thing first, before I explain about the experiment that I've been doing, this is a stepper motor. Stepper motor are DC motors that operate by moving in discrete steps. They consist of multiple coils organized into groups called phases. By sequentially energizing its phase, we can make the motor rotate one step at a time. So one step at a time, it's called like a stepper like that. By controlling the stepping, we can achieve highly precise positioning and speed control. For the size, it can be from the small like this one. This is the one that I use in this experiment. This is usually found in printer. This one is all usually found in what is it, DC disk drive like that. This is all the NEMA motor. Size is ranging from the smaller than a peanut to a large NEMA 57 models. Torque rating indicates a motor strength like that. NEMA 17 is usually used in 3D printers. Larger NEMA frames usually equivalent or commonly used in CNC machine or industrial application. NEMA is standardized. NEMA numbers standardize motor faceplate dimension for mounting but do not specify electrical or mechanical characteristic. So, the same NEMA numbers can differ significantly and may not be interchangeable. It's only for numbering and only for the mounting, like that. It's called NEMA. The step count in one direction, like that. It can ranging from 4 step up to 400 step in one revolution. And the common counts, it can be 24, 48 or 200. And the resolution is expressed as degree per step, such as 1.8 degree motor corresponding to 200 steps per revolution. Higher resolution motors offer greater precision, but the trade-off speed and torque. So higher resolution motor have a trade-off of speed and torque. So as they reach lower RPMs and produce less torque at the higher step rates compared to the lower step count motors of a similar size. That's the comparison between the torque, speed, and resolution of the stepper motor. And there is also terminology of unipolar and bipolar. Unipolar drivers or unipolar steppers always energize the phase in the same way. One lead, the common lead will always negative. The other lead will always be positive. Unipolar driver can be implemented with a simple transistor circuitry. The main beauty of unipolar motor is that we can step them without having to reverse the direction of current any coil. And bipolar use its bridge circuitry to face the current flow of through the phases by energizing the phase with alternating polarity. All the coils can be put to work turning the motor. Bipolar motor are the strongest type of stepper motor. We can see in here. I can show you the reference that I use. This one, and we can see here. So this is the unipolar motor. This is the first winding. This is the second winding. Unipolar motor have a center tap like this, 1 and 2. So this is it. This phase is 1A. This is 1B. This is if this is 1A, 1B. This is 2A to B. So this one 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1, something like that. But if bipolar, there is no center taps, so this is the coil 1A and 1B, and this is 2A and 2B. Terminal 1A, when terminal 1A is positive, this one is positive, negative, 2B, 1B for the 2A, A minus, negative, and 2B negative for, and then the next steps, negative, negative, positive, negative, and the next step, negative, positive, negative, negative. It's different step with this one. So that's how unipolar and bipolar drives happen. This is the wiring diagram that I use. So this is the simple one. There is only driver, the stepper motor, and the development board. I will show you the video. Wait, this one. So this is the video. This is the circuitry, and here I use the IDE of 2.3.4, and then this is the code. I will show you the code first. This is the code. This is the library and initialization for pin in that we use in the stepper, and this is the variable initialization for our serial. This is the serial begin, and we use two subroutine, receive one char and show new data. For receive one char, I will see whether the received char is an A or B. If every time the loop is executed, it will look into this subroutine. If there is a serial available, it will be stored in the variable of received char, and the new data true. If the new data true, then it will print that this is just in receive char like that, and this new data is false like that. So this is the show new data just like that. Okay, and then this is the video. This is I use IDE and I will use the serial monitor. So this is the serial monitor. Arduino is ready. If I type A and then hit enter, this is the camera. Sorry, the motor is still not moving. And after I hit enter, this just in A and CW clockwise direction is indicated in this serial monitor, but the stepper motor is not moving at all. If I type P and hit enter, the serial can detect that there is a P and the direction should be counterclockwise, but in this circuit, in this motor stepper, it not moving at all. So I decided to test it on the other terminal software. I use the terminal version 1.93p by Brian, someone like that. And I, if I use this method, I need to close this one and hit terminal again. I will connect to the COM port 6, and if I hit that one, A, this was just in A, and it can work. The stepper motor is working. This is counterclockwise, and B clockwise, like that. If I type K or G or something, A little, the motor stepper will stop. So if I type A, it will be counterclockwise. Okay, that's my homework. Thank you so much for your kind attention. See you in the next video.